Welcome to Minga Behavior Manager, your tool for monitoring student behavior on campus. With a simple and consistent workflow, you can reinforce positive behavior, monitor unwanted behavior, and reduce classroom workloads. This video guides you through setting up the behaviors you want to monitor. To get started, let's set up your school's behaviors. Navigate to the Behavior Manager and click on the Behaviors tab. Decide which behaviors you want to encourage and discourage on campus. Keep it simple to start with just a few key behaviors to monitor. Here, you can edit and create your praise and guidance behaviors. Customize each behavior by adding notifications, limiting who can assign them if needed, and auto-assign hall passes if required. This will automatically issue the specified hall pass to the student as soon as the behavior is assigned. Click Save to make the edits active. If some of Minga's default behavior types are not needed, you can inactivate them. Praise behaviors are a great way to reinforce your key values on campus. Each praise behavior can earn a student 1 point as a reward. Guidance behaviors help you monitor and report on unwanted behavior, such as tardies, vandalism, language, or no hall pass. We recommend not deducting points for guidance behaviors. If you need to measure additional behaviors, you can create custom ones. Simply click on Create and then Behavior. Choose whether it's a praise or guidance behavior, give it a name, allocate the number of points awarded, and enable optional settings such as auto-assign hall pass, parent and admin notifications, and behavior assignment restrictions. Once created, make sure to make the behavior active. To make it available for assignment, adjust your global settings in the Settings tab to further configure your behavior program. As needed, enable role permissions. These roles can now assign any active praise or guidance behaviors in teacher tools to a student or group of students. You will notice the option to enable consequences. Enabling this will allow you to manually and automatically assign consequences based on a set behavior threshold. Read and watch more on these features in our consequences and automation guides. Owners and managers have access to behavior reporting. If you want other team members to view behavior reports, add them as behavior report viewers. If someone needs manager permissions for the behavior module only, add them to the behavior manager list. Behavior managers can edit, create behaviors, consequences, and automations. You can also make individual exceptions to your global behavior settings using the Can and Cannot Assign Behaviors lists. The Cannot Assign Behaviors list removes the permission to assign behaviors from specific individuals. On the other hand, the Can Assign Behaviors list grants permission to any user who is not enabled to assign behaviors based on their role in behavior settings. Now that everything is set up, you're ready to send praise or guidance behaviors to your students. Simply go to Teacher Tools, navigate to the Behaviors and Rewards section, and click on Assign a Praise or Assign a Guidance. Choose the behavior type, add a note if necessary. Then scan the ID, search for the student manually or by filter, and select them. Click Add to assign the behavior. The student will receive an instant notification to their device, and the behavior will show right away in your Behavior Manager dashboard for at-a-glance viewing. To review your reported behaviors on campus, go to the Reports tab in Behavior Manager. Here, you can select a behavior summary within a specific date range, which allows you to identify top-performing students who deserve recognition and those who may need additional support via the student's report. Keep track of teachers who are, or are not, actively monitoring student behavior in Minga in the staff report. Discover areas of success and challenges by identifying most assigned behaviors. Further analyze behavior history by filtering by student, staff, or behavior type. Review a summary of an individual student's behavior by clicking the summary icon. See a detailed behavior history for that student by clicking the history icon. That's it. You're now equipped with the knowledge to set up behaviors, assign them to students, and review behavior reports. We recommend you keep it simple. Set up the first few behaviors you want to measure and inactivate the rest. Roll out to teachers and staff, then review your reports every few weeks.